for cooking and also for electricity generation.
Good day, our dear viewers. You are welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be introducing to what we call biogas production. Biogas production is simply producing gas with the waste materials around you to be used for cooking and also for electricity generation. Looking at Nigeria, we don't have light in Nigeria. The power failure, a lot of people don't have light. Gas is quite very expensive. So in today's video, we'll teach you, giving you the introduction aspect in biogas production so that it will reduce your purchase of gas for your cooking and for electricity production. Gaseous fuel, especially methane, produced by the formation of organic materials. Biogas is formed by the decomposition of organic materials. Organic materials like your waste materials at home, like kitchen waste, toilet waste. You can generate cooking gas with your kitchen waste. This waste you are throwing away, you can generate gas with it, then you stop buying gas from the market. Also, you can also use your kitchen waste and cow dung and other organic materials to generate electricity for your home, meaning you can have light, steady light using the waste around you to generate light. Biomass is produced when bacteria digest organic matters in the absence of oxygen. It means that your kitchen waste or waste from your poultry or other organic materials, if being enclosed, it will turn to what we call biomass. That biomass is called the biogas, which you can use for cooking and electricity production.
Gas has been released. That gas is being stored in a biogas bag. The bag swells up with methane gas. Methane gas is used for cooking and also for electricity generation. So from this spot, it can be piped to wherever it can be used for cooking. But the main source or the main need for biogas on this farm is electricity. And so they run solely on biogas. There is no electricity connection anywhere as we are deep in the forest. So we are independent when it comes to power generation.